Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to get an overdraft on Monzo. Now the first thing you want to do is launch the Monzo app and then just come here and click on account, and it would redirect you to this page where it says manage your account, and under overdraft you'll see this option that says learn about overdrafts. Just go ahead and tap on this and you'll be on this page. Okay, basically if you're eligible they'll give you an overdraft, so just come here and click on next, and here on this page you can use this slider to choose how big of an overdraft you want, and they gave you up to £2,000. We'll show you how much it will basically cost you, and if you're okay with this and the limit, then all you need to do is come here and just click on confirm. And for example, mine is £2,000 limit. Really that easy and simple, and that is how you apply for the overdraft. If you found this helpful, make sure you smash the like button and subscribe to Quick Fix.